Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, another wig that I was late to the game on. You know, sometimes I'm the last one to try something, but I keep seeing this adorable wig and I thought I'd give it a try. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this is Tressallure Trend. My color is 3332R4. I love this color. Look at these beachy waves, these spiral curls, beachy waves, out of the box, ready to go. And the best thing, it has bangs. I've been loving my wigs with bangs lately. And what is really, I think, a nice touch on this one, it has these undercut bangs. Look how far these bangs are cut all the way to the end of the lace front, the extended lace front. The bangs are cut all the way down, so they're kind of undercut in there, and I love that because it gives it a real full look. Now, these are too long for me. I will definitely need to trim these, but I love the idea that they gave you this really full bang. This has a lace front. It has a mono top. I'm going to show you that. It has a little bit of a blunt cut. Look at this side. So it's really kind of blunt on the ends, which I think is just right on trend. All right, let's talk about fit. This fit me perfectly. I have a 21¼ head circumference. Tressallure normally fits me large. That is not the case with this wig, and I've heard other reviewers say the same. This fits a little more average petite, I would say. So anything much larger than that, I feel like this might be a little tight. You might struggle with it. That's just my opinion. There is permatease beginning here on the outside. I said there's a mono top, and it stops right here. And then I do feel some permatease right there on the sides, not so much in the back. Let me feel at the nape. There's some, but not a lot. But there is some I feel right here, and that's giving us the shape that we're seeing here. Really cute. Let me zoom in and show you the lace front. All right, so here's the lace front of Trend, and it runs all the way down here on both sides. Just want to make sure you see that, and I did a really, really nice job on this lace front. All right, let's just briefly talk about this color, 3332R4, dark auburn. As you can see, beautifully done. It's a blended color of different shades of auburn. You'll see some lighter pieces like right here running through here. It has this dark brown rooting. Just a really, if you love a red, and I do, I think you will like this color. I like that the highlights are not overdone in this wig. I think they're subtle. I think it's wearable. It's just a beautiful red. All right, the specs on this, the front is 3¼ Like I said, these bangs are too long for me. The crown and the back, 9 inches. It has a 2½ inch nape. It weighs 3 ounces. So it has a nice nape. I like the length of this, especially going into the fall. I think this is not really rubbing. Of course, it's not rubbing on. I don't have a collar. I just have the sweater on. But even if I had a collared shirt, I don't think it would really rub on there too much. So I think this is a really wearable length. Another thing we need to talk about, these are Tressallure's heat-friendly fibers. Now, of course, you could straighten this. I would love to see how this looked just bored straight. But remember, if you take the curl out, you have to put the curl back in. So I will not do that on this wig because I like this little beachy wave style anyway. But you do have that option because they are heat friendly. However, make sure that you are following the recommendations of the manufacturer. They kind of vary sometimes from manufacturer to manufacturer about the temperature. So make sure, if you need to know, you can check the Tressallure website. Also, you can reach out to Wig Studio One. They'll be happy to help you at support@wigstudio1.com. They can give you the correct temperature. Just be sure you're doing that. You don't want to use too high of a temperature and ruin your beautiful heat-friendly fibers. Look at this beautiful large mono top on Trend. Really nice. You can part it anywhere within there. Extended lace front. Extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, and there is stretch in here, but as I said, this fit me perfectly at 21¼ inches. All right, what I really want to do with this is use my hot air brush that you know I love. This is the Hot Tools. And I just want to bump under these bangs just a little because, you know, I've done it a million times, showed you how I do it. This hot air brush is a game changer. If you don't have one, this is just something I feel like every wig wearer should have. It works perfect. I use it on all of my wigs with bangs, just to give them a little bump under. Now mine, like I said, these are too long. I really need to trim these. But I wanted to show you how this looks. Comes right out of the box. And then I just want to put some water on it. I want to wake up my fibers. Y'all, you know, it's important. Wake up the fibers on your wigs. Get your hands in there. Move them away from the cap. They get smudged down in the process of shipping. And, you know, they just get so much more movement if you just put your fingers in them. Don't be afraid. Put them in there. Pull them away. Make this wig your own. Thanks for stopping by today and having a look at this wig with me, Tressallure Trend. I'm so glad I got to review it for you today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.